Once upon a time in a land far, far away, there was a magical animal kingdom called Edenia. Edenia was a magical place where all the animals lived in harmony and peace. The kingdom was ruled by a wise and fair lion king named Leo, who had ruled Edenia for many years. One day, a young and curious 8-year-old boy named Timmy discovered the entrance to Edenia while he was exploring the woods behind his house. Timmy had always been fascinated by animals and couldn't believe his luck when he stumbled upon the hidden entrance to the magical animal kingdom. Excitedly, Timmy entered the kingdom and was greeted by a friendly group of animals. There were deer, rabbits, birds, and even a friendly bear named Benny. Benny was a big, fluffy bear who loved to tell stories and play games. He quickly became Timmy's best friend in Edenia. As Timmy explored the kingdom, he was amazed by all the incredible sights and sounds. There was a sparkling river that ran through the center of the kingdom, where the animals loved to swim and play. There was also a beautiful meadow where the animals liked to have picnics and play games. But the most magical place in all of Edenia was the enchanted forest. The enchanted forest was a magical place where all sorts of magical creatures lived, like unicorns, fairies, and even dragons. Timmy was fascinated by the enchanted forest and couldn't wait to explore it. One day, while Timmy was exploring the enchanted forest, he stumbled upon a group of mischievous monkeys who had stolen the magical golden apples from the Tree of Life. The Tree of Life was a magical tree that provided all the animals in Edenia with eternal youth and happiness. Without the golden apples, the animals of Edenia would lose their magic and grow old and sick. Timmy knew he had to do something to help. So, with the help of his friends, Timmy set out to catch the mischievous monkeys and retrieve the golden apples. Timmy and his friends chased the monkeys through the enchanted forest, dodging tree branches and leaping over logs. Finally, they caught the monkeys and retrieved the golden apples. The animals of Edenia were overjoyed when Timmy returned the golden apples to the Tree of Life. The tree glowed with magic, and all the animals were filled with joy and happiness once again. As a reward for his bravery and kindness, King Leo made Timmy an honorary animal of Edenia and gave him a special magic amulet that would allow him to visit the kingdom anytime he wanted. Timmy was thrilled and spent every day exploring Edenia and playing with his animal friends. He knew that as long as he had the magic amulet, he could always return to the magical animal kingdom and have adventures with his beloved friends.